Looking for a new, sleek, safe, and durable concrete floor expertly installed? We deliver only the best in garage floors and concrete coatings at Guardian Garage Floors. The entire process is clean, quick, and skillfully done from beginning to end. It's a simple, affordable, and an easy way to transform your garage. Getting your sleek new floor starts with setting up an on-site consultation appointment. One of our friendly office staff will schedule a time convenient for you. Our expert coating specialists will provide a free on-site inspection and assessment. During this consultation, we listen and aim to understand your project goals so we can deliver the best solution at an affordable price. Our experts are dedicated to finding the perfect flooring for your unique space. On your scheduled install day, a skilled Guardian installation team will gather and load all the high-quality materials for your custom floor. When our background-screened and trained professionals arrive, they will take you through a brief walkthrough of your project to ensure you understand the process and confirm the flooring options you've selected. We'll start by preparing your concrete for our proprietary polyurea polyaspartic coating. Our products are proudly manufactured in America for Guardian Garage under strict quality control. Our grinding process removes all stains, dirt, and debris, leaving a canvas ready to be coated. We keep the area clean with high-powered vacuums connected to all grinders. After grinding, we inspect the existing floor for any cracks or divots and repair them. Then we start rolling down our proprietary polyurea base coat. This tinted base coat allows maximum penetration into your concrete's pores for a true mechanical bond. The next step is the full dispersion of our flaking system. Your new floor is finally starting to take shape. The flakes provide beautiful color and an essential layer of slip resistance, helping you stay upright even under slick conditions. After the flakes are broadcast fully, any excess is scraped away and collected. The final step is to protect your new floor with our proprietary polyaspartic top coat. It's a high-performance clear coat that delivers a showroom shine while providing ultimate protection for years of use. In just 24 hours, Guardian Garage Floors will transform your old drab concrete into a beautiful, durable floor. Best of all, your new floor is backed by our Lifetime Plus warranty for peace of mind. We've led the industry in residential concrete coating for 16 years, so you can't go wrong with Guardian. You'll get floors that are as stunning as they are unstoppable. It's beauty that turns heads and strength that defies limits. Ready to transform your floors and your space?